Hello viewers, today we will discover about default font type and how could we change that. So here we can see that if we give text font, and here auto default we can see there is a Myriad Pro regular always appear. So we will change that when we will take that text font, it will be changed automatically from Myriad Pro to Arial. So for that we have to go to the Windows panel, and then we have to go to the type. Here we can see character style. We'll click that and we can see normal character style. So we will double click it. Then the character style option will be appear. We can change anything from here, and the basis of here the main font will be changed every time. So here we can see the main panel. The basis font format is font family Myriad Pro, font style regular, and size is 1280. So we will change that. For this we have to go to the basic character format. Here we can see Myriad Pro. We will click here and all of the font we installed will appear here. We will select Arial, and we can also change the font style, which we will give the bold font, and size will be 12pt to 36pt. Then we will OK. So before this I will talk about something advanced. We can change the color also here, and font type feature will be appear here. So you can change as you want. So we will be OK and save it. So every time I check this, you can see there will be this font Arial bold font, and the font size is 36pt. So I hope you understand this and it will help you. So if you got help, and you can subscribe on my channel and like. Thank you.